And this video is for the JETech screen protector. And this is a very good screen protector that will protect your devices from any cracks and damage from dropping your device or iPads. JETech also makes stuff for phones and other devices as well. So once you open it up, you're going to get everything that you need to clean your glass off, to clean your device off, and then install the new protector. Cleaning wipes, bubble pusher, and then let's check out the screen itself. You can just see how strong and how thick this glass is and how it's going to really protect. It's not like any other products that are just a flimsy material that goes over your screen. But you can see how thick it is and how great of a protection it's going to be. So I was able to use the tools involved and install the new screen protector. Also gives you dust absorption stickers as well to make sure that it's super crystal clear. But you can see just how thick it is and how clear it is on top of this iPad. But this is a great screen glass, tempered glass from JETech. This is a great product and highly recommend. Definitely pick up one of these if you need to protect your device.